I just realized I got the little go-kart over there, and no one knows that it's mine because I'm standing pretty far away from it. But every time someone walks by it, they got like they turn their heads and stuff. It's pretty funny. Oh, there you go. There's one. Oh, no, she didn't look that interested in it. There you go. Come on. Oh, there we go. There's one guy. I know it's freaking cool. Come on. Okay. Let's move my go-kart. Let's get some more attention because I'm not getting enough attention right now, and I want more attention. So we're gonna move the go-kart. Going with the blip. We're going to another spot. Well, let's get this thing started up. I'm saying, bro. Like, if you live in New York, you can only drive one way. It's on a go-kart. Oh, I guess there's no ice cream guy. Oh, we got some admirers checking out the go-kart. Look at that. Oh, we got some people checking it out. Look at him, man. Hey guys, how you doing? Hey bud. Thank you.
Is it all like recycled parts, or you just picked them up, or?
No, I went to a scrap metal yard and just got a bunch of metal and welded it together, and they got this website for like go-kart parts, and I had one at home that was kind of like a trial run, and then this was kind of like my second
awesome,
one.
Man.
Thank you. Yeah.
You did it yourself?
Yeah. Started from scratch. Pretty cool, right? Thank you. Yeah. It's a comfy ride, believe it or not. You don't want to hit the potholes though. The potholes. You feel the potholes. That's the you know. Yeah. Nothing. Yeah.
Pretty fast, right?
Yeah. I shouldn't be going as fast as I do here in the parking lot, you know.
No, it's how fast you can go.
I have a little speedometer on my phone, and I got it up to 48.
48?
Yeah, I was trying to hit 50, but I was too off, you know.
The brakes and everything?
Yeah, the brakes were a little iffy, but you know, they work. They stopped me.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Are you in high school, college?
I'm in college. I actually go. There's a school right over there underneath the bridge.
Oh yeah.
I go right over there. Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty close.
Yeah.
I know someone else that made a go-kart.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, in high school. That's why I was curious.
Okay.
Yeah, like how.
That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. That's awesome. No, I think it's a great hobby. I think you can learn a lot. You know.
Just building, right?
Yeah, for sure. You learn a lot from doing this.
So he was actually making one for a competition.
Oh, that's.
But it was.
That's pretty cool.
See if I can find it. Where is this stuff? See if I can find a picture.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah. I'd love to see it.
He's like making his own design of go-kart. So I saw this. I wondered if there's like a
no, this is
something.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I have a YouTube channel that I like just started, and I got this one, my other one on there.
Yeah. What's your YouTube channel?
Roy Finley.
Roy Finley.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet, man.
Yeah, thank you.
I gotta find this.
Yeah, I'd love to see a picture of whatever you saw.
Yeah, well, he built it from scratch, but it didn't. Roy Finley, right?
Yeah, Roy Finley. Hey, check it out.
Yeah, man.
All right.
He wants to like go to different go-kart places too, so I figure it's like a small community of.
It's definitely a small one, but when you get like involved in it, there's a lot of people that love it. Yeah.
Check it out, Subby.
All right. So many people are taking photos of my go-kart. This is hilarious. Oh man, this is hilarious, dude. people and people and people are just, they can't take their eyes off of it. This is amazing. This is hilarious. I love this. And I see that these two guys are just like, they don't know what to do. They're just like stuck with it. Oh, I see this is a beautiful sunset. Look at this. Oh wait, wrong way. Look at that. Goosies. Oh shit, people can see my face on this. I don't want them to see me. Dude, people love this thing. I love it. I mean, I couldn't. What's up, bud?
Oh my god, I ran through that thing. It's amazing.
Who are you here with?
Oh my god.
Oh, cool. Nice. Yeah, I'm waiting for the sun to go down, you know? Trying to get to, it's beautiful out.
When I have my phone, because I'm kind of grounded when I have my phone, anytime we would be driving during like sundown, you'd see me like taking pictures out the window.
Yeah, it's nice out.
And just over there is the Bronx River. I went to a program there a few weeks ago.
Oh yeah?
The sunsets you get there are supposed to be amazing. You get the skyline.
Yeah?
And you get the Throg's Neck if you look the other way.
Yo, that's Throg's Neck right over there, right?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, and that's the Throg's Neck Bridge, right? And then do you know the bridge behind it? That's the Whitestone Bridge. Yeah, there's a lot of bridges. A lot of bridges. Oh, look at that. I don't want, hopefully no one touches it, you know? Because there's certain things in the go-kart that are like really hot, and if people touch it and they touch the wrong part, they can get really hurt. So hopefully they don't get hurt. You know? That would suck.
We make good content though.
Oh man. This guy knows what he's talking about. I gotta get the police to pull me over, you know? If the police pull me over, then what better content is that, you know?
Police pulled me over while driving my go-kart. Gone wrong. Not fake.
Gone wrong, yeah, right? Not fake. It's funny. You live in Bayside?
No, I live all the way.
Like Long Island?
Area.
Where?
Hollis.
Oh.
Jamaica.
Oh, okay. So you're still in Queens?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. You like it out here? You come out here often?
No.
Oh, really?
Like the second time I
Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah. I don't think we're gonna see too many colors, too many clouds, you know? Yeah. You guys want to get any photos in it? Yeah, you want to get any photos? Oh no.
You want to get with Mason? Mason, come. Mason, come. You say you can get in. Want to get in? Take a picture? Come on.
Take a picture?
How fast is those?
Probably just under 50. Yeah. It's crazy. It's a little scary. Well, I haven't seen one yet. I don't know what they'll say, you know?
Where do you go with it?
It was a little guy. Just around Bayside. Not too far out of Bayside. I don't think I've left Bayside yet. Because if I go any further than Bayside and this thing breaks on me, you know, then what happens?
How long took you to build this?
Like 2 weeks. Yeah.
Mason, look at Daddy.
And then I had to take it all apart to paint it, but you know, I drove it out to 2 weeks. On May 13th. Yeah, I wrote it down. That's when I finished
So
it.
you had this engineered up?
What was that?
You had this design in your head already?
I got the design off of someone on YouTube. So the frame was off of someone else, and it's kind of like it's public, you know, so anyone can really use it. But I mean, other than that, everything was off on my own. I mean, those pedals aren't like, I got to move this whole thing back, you know. I want to put the axle underneath the engine, and but it's a little squishy.
For you, it looks small.
What was that?
For you, it looks
Oh yeah,
to get
it's hard to get. It's very difficult for me to fit in there. But once I'm in there, you know.
Car, right?
Yeah, it's a shopping cart. Yeah. I got my license plate up here, but I gotta get some numbers on there. You know.
You need a license for that?
Well, no, I don't. But it just looks funny, you know, to have like a.
What is that, lawnmower?
Where?
Yeah, it's a little pressure washer engine.
Where's your... You got one in the bathroom.
Yeah.
That's too much to do.
Yeah. You know, I mean, you can do it over like a year's time. It's just like something that you're bored. You're like, all right, let me go do that. You know, I mean, it's a lot of thought, I think that's the most tiring part is like, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do that? Yeah, well the tools are expensive. Tools are expensive. What was that?
What's this?
That's the air intake. It's the air intake. That's where the air goes. Yeah, the air comes in, fuel, and then the boom, you know?
I'm going now and I already forgot your name.
Oh, alright, all good.
Roy
bro.
something.
Roy.
Finn.
There you go.
Alright, thank you. Have a good evening.
You too, man. I'll see you around, alright?
You make those for people? You pay?
I would love to make one for someone and make some money out of it. Because I love doing this, you know? I mean,
How much would this cost about?
I mean, this one cost me about $1,000. Yeah. No, I mean, it goes anywhere you want it to. If it was a little bit higher off the ground, I could take it off-roading, you know? And then it would be, and then you can go anywhere, you know? And then that's priceless if you get it off-road. I got another one at home, but
You'll probably make money off of YouTube doing this.
I mean, yeah, I gotta get it up there. I just started it a couple days ago, you know?
And it took you 2 weeks to do this?
Yeah, just about 2 weeks. But that's, you know, when I had nothing to do. I go to school, so it's like I got off of school, I put it all together, and then I'm going back to school now. So I don't really have time to do another one until I get out.
That's dope.
Yeah.
When I seen the car, I was like, oh, somebody's an engineer.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's a really fun hobby.
How much will you sell that for?
I don't know if I could sell this one. This was like my first one, but if I had to sell it, I'd probably sell it for like $2,000.
$2,000?
Yeah. That's what I told someone 1,600. They're like, why are you lowballing yourself like that? You know, like you got labor, you got like, you know, so.
Online, it's probably just $5,000.
I don't know about $5,000.
Yeah.
I gotta make it look a little bit nicer, you know.
Stay a little bit
I mean,
higher.
speed is speed. You know?
It's about effort
Yeah.
and
Isn't that a
the time
shopping
you put
cart?
into, like they said.
Yeah.
Isn't
Yeah.
that a shopping
You know?
cart?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Anybody could put some shit together,
Right.
but is it gonna be the same? Probably
Right.
not.
Yeah, it's
Exactly.
a little shopping cart.
Yeah, that is a little shopping cart. Yeah. That's my air conditioning.
You pay for quality.
Yeah.
Keep thinking.
Yeah.
You live around here?
Wait,
Yeah, I
you
live
have
right by
an
Bay
air
Terrace.
conditioner on that?
Yeah. Not too far. Like 5 minutes.
Good luck, man.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, hey.
Safe with
What's
it.
up, bud?
If you know those rocks over there?
Yeah.
Where's my
What if that was a street? How fast you think you could get there and come back?
Where?
Going on the rocks,
I don't think I'd be able to drive on the rocks.
no,
No, that's gonna be far for you to get in.
no. I guess that whole line of those rocks.
Yeah. Oh, to go from there and back?
Yeah.
How fast?
Yeah, if that rock was a street,
Yeah.
if all those rocks was a street, how fast do you think you could go with that?
Probably about like 35 miles an hour.
No, I'm saying like,
How fast can I do it?
yeah.
Like 3 seconds.
3 seconds?
Yeah. 3 seconds. Fast.
You just put the GoPro stick on this?
Yeah. There was a couple other stickers on there. Oops, sorry, buddy. Just don't touch this, all right, guys? It's really hot. Yeah, I took off all the. There was other stickers on there, like from the engine itself.
Watch,
And then,
Missy.
You should be able to make this where you can adjust it when you go up and down.
yeah, I mean that's something that I've thought about.
It's not hard for you to
You probably can
Like
if
somebody like me.
You have like
Right.
a knob
Yeah.
to loosen it.
Yeah,
And then when
I
you
think
get it, your height-
I think that I think the steering wheel's in a good spot. I think if I could just move this whole thing back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna do that, but once I move this, I can't do it with this axle here. You know, I got to put the axle a little bit back, and then
It looks like you just gotta probably take the bottom square off and re-weld it back.
right. Yeah, that's exactly what I got to do. But I just, I just built it. I'm just like, you know what? I want to relax and have a fun time, you know, for now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good one, bud.
Thanks, man. You too. Thanks for the attention. I appreciate it. I love it. This is pretty cool.
You?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah. fast. Yeah.
Fast?
Yeah, fast. What's up?